Hindi Snoker Coach Certification Program under Vision 2032, we have a great news and we welcome Mr. Abdul Wahab Memon on successfully completing his AQ Coach certification. He has completed his certification after a very tough exam. I'm very much happy for Karachi because I couldn't find many coaches over there, and I'm sure he is a big addition and a great addition for Karachi snooker players. Let's say what Abdul Wahab is saying about AQ Snooker Coach certification.
Hello snooker friends, this is Abdul Wahab from Karachi. I have recently completed the AQ Snooker Coach certification and it was a quite different experience of playing snooker as a coach. The knowledge I gained during the classes are far better than the experience I was having previously. Considering myself as a very first student of mine, I was striking my cue with many errors, which are now very much improved after this coaching program. And now I feel I am able to find these mistakes in other players around me, which can be rectified or adjust with different techniques so they can improve their game as well. So I would encourage other players to go for this coaching certification, and this will not only help them in improving their game but also their snooker knowledge, so they can also be a coach for other players around them. So go for it guys and spread this loving game of snooker. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you very much, Abdul Wahab. I'm really happy that you are part of AQ Snooker coaching family, and I'm sure you will help your students with best of your effort. For anyone who is interested in becoming a snooker coach, has some experience of playing snooker, send me a WhatsApp message, numbers are there, and be part of Vision 2032 of AQ Snooker. All are welcome to join from any part of the world.